Guys, good afternoon. This afternoon, I'm going to share with you what's not allowed on YouTube. Anong bawal dito sa YouTube na mga salita na you have to write it on the message comment section na not allowed. So there's a lot of, I will speak in English because I have some few foreign followers, even if my English is not that great. So, pag-usapan natin yan yung mga bawal na mga words na isulat sa comment section. So, before that, mag-intro muna tayo. So, sa mga bago dito sa YouTube na hindi pa alam, so to those new here on YouTube that they don't know what to say, what to write on the comment section, I'm going to tell you few words that are not allowed to write in your comment section. So, the common Filipino words that they usually write on a comment section or during the LS or during anything that they watch, they always say tamsak. So the tamsak is already gas-gas na, guys. The tamsak is not anymore allowed in YouTube because it's already used by so many. Then yung iba, they also say done subscribing, or subscribe done. That's not allowed. Or sub to sub po, or pakisab po, that's not allowed. And also pahag po, kalimbang, that's already gas-gas in YouTube. So it's not possible that you have to write yung patamsak, kalimbang, sab to sab, nasab na kita, pakibalik. Parang it's, for me, it's already automatic here in YouTube world, that once you are into YouTube, it's automatic on the other side. They already know what to do. If you come to my house, I already know what you want. So there's no need to say pabalik, nakulayan ko na yung bahay mo. You have to decipher, or you have to do alias the new words that lolo YouTube will not understand. So marami sing mga tao na nagsasabi na, oh, natusok na kita. Parang ganun, mga common words ba. So wag yan gamitin. Na even someone told me na marami daw nagsabi na yung na bawal daw isulat yung please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Bawal yan isulat sa ating comment section. So meron din nagsasabi sa akin na yung mag-write ng COVID, pandemic, bawal na daw yan, or gas-gas na ba daw yan, di na siya pwede. Parang parang mas-spam na siya, para alisin na siya ng YouTube. So ito sa mga bago lang ito, kasi yung mga older YouTuber, alam na nila kung ano ang dapat, alam na nila kung alin ang tama at saka maling sabihin. So sa mga bago lang to na hindi pa nila alam, kasi I was once like that. Nagsabi ako na nasab na kita, pakisab pabalik, parang ganon, nahag, nakulaya, nakalimbang, basta marami na mga words na common dito na bawal na. So ang labas niyan, makita mo lang dito sa notification yung mga legit na nagko-comments. Pero sa studio, marami kang makikita na nagko-comments sa'yo na pag tinignan mo doon sa kiniklik mo, hindi mo na sila makita. So ibig sabihin nun is na-delete na siya ni YouTube, na-spam siya, or hindi yun gusto ni YouTube yung mga sinabi niya, or nag-comment siya sa video mo na hindi nanonood. So there are a lot of people who are like that, na they watch your video as if they watch your video, they just write a message saying blah blah blah, but in reality they don't really look at your videos in full. So that's what happened. They will go to the spam box of YouTube. So dito, guys, sa YouTube, it's hard, for the beginners to understand the style or the procedure here in vlogging world. So sa akin, medyo I know more or less what is right and what is wrong. And for me only, this is only for me, if I go to a channel, or if someone come to my channel and say please subscribe to my channel, before I have to hit her subscribe button, I have to watch at least 1 or 2 videos that are longer than 10 minutes to make sure that I am really sticking to her house, that YouTube will not kick me out, so that there will be no more bananas lost. But the problem with other people in YouTube, they really just come to your channel, look at few minutes, and say, please do subscribe to my channel, please pakibalik, please come back to my channel, please hit the subscription, blah blah blah, but without looking in full my videos. So what happened to them on my house? They will be kicked out by YouTube. So in my house, when I look at my friends list or channel list, they are gone after this and that. So the trick here is avoid writing all the kanang words that are not allowed. Next is you have to watch it properly. Manood ng tama at saka mag-comments only after the video is done. You hit the like, you hit the comment section after viewing the full video, especially if you are the first timer to come to the house or you come to my house. Please watch 1 or 2 videos. You can also watch like 10 minutes long videos, one, and then you comment, you write, you like. Then me, I will not put you immediately in my house. I will wait 24 hours to put you in my house or ilagay kita sa bahay ko para hindi malagas, kasi YouTube will understand that we only want sub to sub. So parang hindi niya mahalata or hindi malaman, or YouTube will not put us in both spam section. One party must wait. Kung sinong nauna or who comes first to hit my bell, I will return to them after 24 hours. And if I cannot return after 24 hours, you don't have to worry. I always go back to my visitors, even if it takes 1 to 3 days or a week, because I always do the back read, because I'm a working person. So I cannot, during weekdays, I cannot immediately watch your videos because I'm working. So that's it. Kailangan natin na manood lang ng tama, guys, kasi lahat tayo, everybody here on YouTube really want one destination, to be monetized, to be to earn some pesos, to earn some money in the future. But for those people who are not monetized yet, and when they come to see my channel and they see the ads, they immediately do the skip, or they just went away, stop watching and go somewhere else. What's the use? You have to tugpa here, tugpa there, and it's still the same anyway. So it's better you have to kanang fixed with a certain people that you trust, that you can do what's to watch, because what's the use of going sub there, and then you even don't know if they come back. For me, I'm not saying that I'm perfect here in YouTube, but as much as possible, I always reply to anyone who comes to my channel, and to those people who really wants to be friends with me, even if I don't want their vlog or their content like gaming, I still do watch them. It's because I understand they also wanted to be monetized. They wanted to be to have extra money in the future. So each and every one of us here in YouTube world, we really want one thing here. So once again, for the first timers, for the new YouTubers, please avoid writing in the comment section about sub done, I already color your house, pahag, pabalik, tamsa, kalimbang, things like that. So, i-recap ko lang, when you are a first timer in YouTube, it's normal to have a lot of lagas or lost bananas. It's because someone who comes to you just hit the bell icon, the subscribe button without doing anything else. They just hit it and that's it. That's not good. You know that is not good. You know it itself. You know that it's not good. That's why the other side, he lost his banana or her bananas because of what you did. You just hit it without doing anything. You should watch one long videos, let's say 10 minutes pataas. I don't care if you watch it, just let it run as long as it runs, and then after that you hit bell icons, you like, and then you comments. That's the secret here in YouTube. Why it's so difficult to do that? So maawa ka naman sa mga sa kabila kasi nag-sub ka sa kanila, wala kang ginawa. So kaya nga lagas, or ikaw ang malagas kasi yung nag-sub sa'yo hindi rin nanood. Kasi YouTube is all about movies. It's all about watching movies. So what's the use if you just hit and doing nothing? It's like coming to the house without saying hello to the owner and get through the other side of the door. So that's not good. We are all here to enjoy, to have fun, to earn some pesos in the future. Let's do it right. Please, thank you so much. And for those people who are with me already, thank you so much for staying with me. And for those people who doesn't like my vlog, it's okay. This is only what I want. Travel, posting some videos. That's all. This is what I want, traveling. Even if I don't know yet how to present my videos, but I love traveling. It's because it's COVID, I could not go out of Bohol. So please do understand my content if it's not well done, but that's all I can have. That's all for now. I hope I can improve it in the future. So see you guys, and for those people who are not my friends, please do subscribe, hit all bell icons so that you will be notified every time I have my new videos. So thank you so much, guys. I'm already monetized 3 weeks, but can you imagine? You will not relate it yet if you are not monetized, but once you are monetized, especially if you are just new, you will really understand it's difficult, it's so hard. Asking someone, begging someone to please watch, don't skip, because you only, if you just see it, the amount of money YouTube is paying us, it's really peanuts. It's like cents, 1 cent, 2 cents, 3 cents. Can you imagine it? So it doesn't mean that you are monetized, you have already ads in your YouTube, that you earn a lot of pesos or a lot of dollars or euros. No. Me, before I was monetized, that's my mentality. I said I go into YouTube because they earn a lot of money. Yes, they will earn a lot of money here, but after 2-3 years, or when you're famous, when you are like artista sa Pilipinas or artista somewhere, that's where you earn a lot because so many followers. But for us, we are not actors and actresses. We are just a small YouTubers. So please don't skip the ads. Don't be so crab mentality that saying, I don't want to hit her. I don't want to watch all her videos with ads because she will earn a lot of money. No. It will take years to earn that much money. It will take like 2-3 years to be stable. So please avoid that mentality. And I would like to help the new YouTubers to let them understand the style of YouTube, because I was once a small non-monetized YouTubers. That's also my mentality, that once you have ads, you will earn a lot of money. No, that's not true. So wait till many years to earn and to be stable. So thank you again, and I hope I give you some ideas on some words that are already not allowed in YouTube world, that YouTube will put you in the spam section. So let's help each other, love each other, hug each other, and support each other. And I'm sorry so much if I could not reply to everyone, and if I cannot watch everyone, because my time is limited. Only Saturday, Sunday I'm free, weekdays, and then sometimes I could not cope up with the rest. But some people are really angry when I say watch first my video, watch more videos, because every videos you watch and saying your full watch, I always return it in full watch. Even if I don't know that you really watch me full watch, I still reply with you full watch. So don't lie, please. I know we are Christians. Even if you are not Christians, Muslim or other atheists or other Hindus or any religion, let's be honest, guys. So for me, time is free for me. I don't ask money for now to watch my video, to ask money to subscribe or like watch to watch, paying you pay me because I have to watch. Not yet. In YouTube world, you have that. That's why everybody just say join, because there is members who wants to expedite their subscription, expedite their watch hours. So they have to pay. It's legal. You have to pay in YouTube. Let's say you come to my channel, you hit join, and there is certain amount that you have to pay monthly so that you will be watch every day for that certain time, certain hours, so that you will expedite your watch hours and your subscriptions. Your members ba? Subscribers. So I always talk too much, so I end my video now. I hope guys I give a little information to those newcomers, new YouTubers, and for the older established YouTuber, please also help this little starter just starting in YouTube. So let's help each other and don't be greedy. Thank you so much guys, and God bless. So guys, again, sorry, I know I have a lot of friends already here in in YouTube. So as I've said, I always reply to all of them, but I will prioritize all my visitor, my friends who comes to my house, who comments there, watch my videos. They are the one who will be prioritized in watching their videos. So I have a lot of friends who doesn't come to me first or who doesn't visit me, so I cannot also visit them or reply to them because I am busy with other housemates, because I focused in my house. Guys, this is what my life here in YouTube. I don't go like langaw, tugpa here, tugpa there. I stay with my house. I don't go out anymore looking for people, because every time someone comes to my house, I take care of them. I will watch their videos, and that's where I spend my time. So for other friends of mine who are just there, please come to me, because I don't know, I'm not saying I have no time to come to your house. I will visit your house, but first I have to reply and watch my avid, always following me every day, and every post that I have, they always there. They are the one that I'm going to support. So sorry for the other friends that I am not always at your house. So that's my thing here. I always prioritize people who comes to me, because they are the one who are my viewers. So if you really want me to come to your house, even if you are my friend, always come to my house. Then I always reply to you. That's it. So I'm sorry if you don't like my style, but I will stay with my house. I take care of my house. I take care of my visitor. It's like taking care of my plants. So that's it. They will be prioritized first. So thank you so much guys, and I hope everybody happy and everybody successful in the future. God bless.